My name is Dr. Faisal Haji, and I'm the proud owner of Soho Dental. We have two offices conveniently located in the core of the city. Our Spadina Avenue clinic is located in Toronto's trendy garment district and has been open since 2008. Our Bloor Street West clinic is centrally located in Toronto's Annex neighborhood and has been open since 2021. To be of service to our patients and our community is what Soho Dental is all about. Dentistry is first and foremost about people. It's about listening to their needs. When I see a patient for the first time, I'm always interested in their story. They may have not had the best dental experience in the past. They may be fearful, they may be apprehensive. I need to know where they come from if I'm determined to do my best for them. Dental health is intimately tied to one's general health. Our team exists to improve the dental health of our patients and ultimately contribute to their overall health and well-being. I'm truly blessed to be working with an outstanding team of professionals who all share the same vision and embrace our patient care philosophy. They're highly skilled, caring, and gentle. They understand the importance of regular dental care for our patients' overall health, and they're happy to educate and guide our patients in this regard. We have a few lovely dentists in the practice that embrace our vision and philosophy regarding patient care. It's the reason we have associate dentists who are not only highly skilled in dentistry, but who respect the relationships that we've created with our patients. Technology in dentistry seems to be evolving in leaps and bounds. We've embraced technologies that we feel enhance our patients' care. We have digital X-ray sensors that reduce the amount of radiation exposure to our patients. Having the magnification of the microscope allows me to be very precise with my treatment. As you can imagine, a lot has changed over the past 27 years that I've been in this profession. I made a commitment to do my best for my patients when I entered this field. Dentistry is about people and improving their overall health by focusing on their dental care. This has meant staying current with new materials, new techniques, and new technologies. It has made me a lifelong student of dentistry. At Soho Dental, we're dedicated to providing you with an exceptional dental experience from a friendly team that's highly skilled and compassionate. We provide general dental care, including implant and cosmetic dentistry, tooth whitening, crowns, veneers, and professional cleanings. Our passion is to keep you smiling with confidence.